Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to come in person. Absolutely. Today we're going to talk about a luxury automobile that is just second to none, a 1961 Bentley S2 Saloon. Ooh. Beautiful car. You are going to want to watch this video because we're going to have a walk around, a cold start, and all the details will be right at your fingertips. Now, you can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website and all the pictures, descriptions, pricing, and everything on this particular car, and have access to our over 100 additional vehicles that we currently have on our sales floor at Ellingson's. Remember our website being www.ellingson.motorcars.com, or you can give me a call, 763-428-7337, and we're more than happy to answer any and all questions you may have on this particular car or any of our other cars that we currently have. 1961, the S2, they made S2s from 1959 to 1962. 61 being one of the premier years because they were always making improvements. I'll tell you what, this does have the 6.2 liter aluminum Rolls Royce engine. They have Rolls Royce and Bentley shared engines. So this has got a little bit of performance under the hood, as well as being very luxurious in terms of amenities. I mean, you've got power steering, you've got power brakes on this car, you've got leather interior, you've got power windows, you have all those necessary things. And as I mentioned, it does have air conditioning. And I know that 1961, they made some improvements in their air, and it really is a nice feature to have on one of these cars. They made a little over 1,800 of these, all sold for all those years. So this in reality is a pretty few and far between automobile here in the United States as well, because it is left-hand drive. They did send not quite 400 of them, I believe, to the United States. So yes, it's really one of those cars that the average person can get in because it is also an automatic transmission, a 4-speed automatic. So anyone can actually jump in this car and drive it. Beautiful Oxford blue paint on this car. Really, really well chosen, if you will, especially when you go with the robin blue leather interior. I mean, that is just a really great color combination. Don't you just love the Bentley emblem on the radiator? I mean, 61, boy, it was the top of the world if you owned a Rolls Royce or Bentley. They were quite the cars in their day. Now, this has had a nice improvement in the fact that it does have radial tires, which, of course, in 1961, we're still a few years from getting those, but this one does have it with the full Bentley hubcaps. Really has a beautiful look. But let's just take a little closer look at the inside of the car. As I said, the robin blue leather interior, beautifully done. All the door panels as well. And of course, all handmade wood that goes across the dash, around the doors, whatnot. Beautiful carpet. And the dash is wood grained and beautiful as well, with the air conditioning, everything right at your fingertips, needless to say. It is really got a beautiful look interior. I mean, the legroom is just phenomenal on these cars. And of course, it does have power lift windows as well. And let's see here, what else? Oh, like you said, beautiful trunk area in this car. Oh my goodness, this car just exudes the fact that it is a luxury handmade automobile. Everything fits nicely, doors close very, very well. Just a super neat car. AM radio is something that they had in this year as well. It is just one of those cars. Now, you can also find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. So if you want to look at those websites, you'll leave us a comment or subscribe. We appreciate it very, very much. You'll enjoy looking at all the stuff that you can find on those websites. Yes, it's one of those cars that just is very, very special. Oh, I almost forgot one of the really cool features this car does have. It has the picnic trays in the back that you pull down and whatever. It's, you can put your Grey Poupon on those on the little tables when you're sitting in the back if you're having your dinner or whatever while someone is driving you someplace. It's one of those neat features that is just really special to this automobile. Now, as I said, you can come and look at it in person. Many of you out there have said, I really love to watch the videos, but I just really need to come on down in person. we're very happy to have you come down to Ellingson's in person, touch it, feel it, make sure it is a real car. Yes, it is on my sales floor right as we speak. Now, we are open to the public Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you can come down and take a look at it in person, we're happy to have you come. The other thing I always mention, whenever you buy whatever marque, if you buy a Bentley or a Rolls Royce or a Cadillac, Chevy, join the local club or the national club as well, because there's always people out there who can give you more information, answer questions that you may have that I may not have at the top of my tongue, but there are people out there that are in the clubs that are very, very passionate about their automobiles. As you know, most of us Americans, we liked our cars, the British, no exception. But, that's why they were a really special automobile to have here in the United States, especially in 1961. I mean, it was something very, very special. The other thing I always recommend, if you live out of state or you live far away, we can ship a car any place in the world. We can ship it anywhere in the United States for that matter. We have sources and people that can help us get this truly luxurious collector vehicle into your hands. You don't see them for sale very often. I guess that's about a handful out there at any one time. And I'll tell you what, this is a real prime example of a nice one. Again, you want to listen how nice this thing runs. It's got that V8 engine, very, very powerful, and it sounds good as well. Now, the other thing that we can assist you with, say you go, I want to have this car and I would like to get some financing involved. We can assist you with that as well. Go to our website, ellingsonmotorcars.com, and we have right on the top bar, it says inventory and financing. We can assist you with getting financing on any vehicle, especially collector vehicles. We have sources to help you get that done. And that's sometimes one of the neat things, that we can be kind of that all-inclusive service-orientated shop for you to look at. Well, 1961, tell you what, a little bit right before the Beatles came, boy, once they came, the Rolls Royce Bentleys were kind of the hot ticket for whatever at that time. And they always have been just a really special automobile. So if you're looking for something that, nobody else probably in the neighborhood ever had, but you can be that first one. This can be parked in your garage. We can make that happen. That's what we do here at Ellingson Motor Cars. We get you your dream cars to be in your hands, in your driveway. Well, thank you very much. I don't know if there's anything else I can tell you about it. It kind of speaks for itself. It just exudes luxury to the nth degree. So it's really, really a neat deal. Give us a call again if you have any questions, 763-428-7337, and we'll do our best to answer any and all questions you may have. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time at EllingsonMotorCars.com.